Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November 23rd, 2021, and we're going to talk about Chargepoint on today's video and show you why I'm still kind of bullish into the market in Chargepoint, and I'm going to look at the price chart. I'm not going to show you any articles. I'm not going to tell you any upcoming events that they got planned, anything like that, because we don't focus on that here. We only pay attention to the price and what people are doing with the money when they come in and participate in Chargepoint. So if you guys want to learn more, then hey, keep it locked in here. We're here for that. You can learn as much as possible from us so that you'll be able to do this for yourself. So you do it by hitting that like button, right? Share the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely tap that bell notification as well, because for us, we don't make this complicated. So look, the last video we did in Chargepoint was on November the 9th, and we were playing the strength then, and today we're still going to play the strength, but we just want to see why. Why are we still looking for Chargepoint to go up? Because recently, there's been a couple of days to where we saw price spike into our price target area. You guys can see there's a couple of days to where we was in profit mode, but we really haven't seen the market give us too much out of that. So I want you all to understand that this area right here is plaguing Chargepoint's price. Okay, $28. That is holding back Chargepoint's price. So as we go throughout the rest of November, starting in December, keep your eyes open on whether or not price stays elevated just slightly below 28, because if so, it tells me that the market is building up its next energy to break out above $28. Now, if we continue to see rejection, if we continue to see weakness around $28, then we are going to go back down in price. I'm telling you this now, November 23rd, I'm giving you all the heads up as to what to expect. Now, the last couple of days, okay, and let me show you the days that lets me know that the market is trying to break above 28. Okay, these are the days right here. This is the first day right there on November the 16th. It tells me that the market, even though we had a whole lot of selling go on, we were still able to see the price close at the high of the bar. Cool. Look at this. These 2 days, November the 18th and then again on the 19th, there's been selling going on, no doubt about it. I'm here to tell you that the last couple of trading days in Chargepoint has been selling. But you know what? Guess what? There's been enough demand into the market that was willing to buy Chargepoint to where the price selling hasn't had any impact on us going lower. That's the biggest reason as to why I'm still looking bullish into the market at Chargepoint. The price is not trying to go down, meaning there's buyers, meaning price is trying to go up. So yeah, even though I'm telling you that, yeah, price has been weak. Yes, it has. Even though I'm telling you that the majority of the market has been selling. Yeah, it has. But the positive catalyst is that price hasn't been reacting negatively to it though. It's pretty good. So let's look at the market in Chargepoint on a 2-day time frame then, because you can still see it. We're still seeing weakness into the market in Chargepoint. I don't want to try to play you all and tell you that this market is going to shoot up to $100. No, there's still selling going on here. So keeping it real, because I already told you we're finding rejection around 28. That's where the sellers are at. This is the 3-day. So we're starting a new 3-day price bar relatively soon, and we really haven't gone anywhere. So as long as price in Chargepoint it stays elevated above 26 and even 24, I'm still playing the strength into the market. Okay, it's just that easy. 2 weeks time frame. Look at all that volume that came in the last 2 weeks in Chargepoint. That's climactic. We haven't seen this much volume in Chargepoint since August the 30th, the 2 week bar starting there. And you guys can see what price did. So this current 2 week price bar, if we're able to see the market close above it, we're going to go a lot higher than what our ultimate TP price is, right? Since we're nearing the month of November, since we're almost through the month of November, I want you all to see that, right? Currently, we're still pursuing higher prices in Chargepoint. Now, you guys can tell that we got higher volume in the month of November than what we received in October, but the spread is smaller. So either there's more buyers or there's more sellers entering the market in Chargepoint for the month of November. December will tell us which was which. Okay, so I'm just here prepping your mind for the price action for December. Right now, it shows that the majority of the market were buyers. Okay, so entering into December, we need to look forward to that continuational movement higher in price. Simple. There's nothing else to it. I mean, you got other people speaking on Chargepoint, talking about the infrastructure plan, talking about EV charging stations and how someone has to do it right. I get it. But it doesn't require all that. People speak with their money, and the price chart is the language of what the majority of the market feels and what they're anticipating to happen into the future. I mean, you guys haven't ever thought about these big hedge funds, these massive financial institutions, that they do their research too. And before they put on any position, they do their research. That is why price moves. It doesn't move off of earnings reports. It doesn't move off of breaking news, tweets, anything of that nature. These big money institutions, they have massive amounts of money at their disposal to conduct their research. So before they even put on one of their $1 million, $100 million plans, positions, they do their research. And if the research comes out to be incorrect, they sell their positions. They don't hold on to these plays 5, 10, 15 years. They have to make their investors money. Investors are not trying to be in plays long. They're trying to allow their accounts to accumulate. And in order for that to happen, if these big hedge funds, these financial institutions have to sell, they will. That's the only way that you can accumulate profitability, is by selling. So we just simply look at what they're trying to do. And right now, we're going to continue to keep our price prediction and the market in Chargepoint on the table. We're not going to change it. Okay. Now, question. This is my thoughts. This is my understanding as to what I'm seeing on the chart. What is yours? I mean, have you seen anything different in terms of, Chargepoint's price that will kind of let you know, hey, we might see the price dip? Because if so, tell everyone in our community. Right? We need to have a place that we can get everyone's opinion as to what they're noticing on the charts and see which one pans out to be right. So far, I'm still looking for this price increase in Chargepoint. Now, albeit outside of us being unable to break 28, I already know that $28 is our biggest issue for us to let the market go up in Chargepoint. So keep your eyes open on that. Now, I'm done. Simple. Less than 8 minutes. Didn't talk about a whole lot of nothing. We just simply look at what people did with their money and trying to anticipate where they're trying to go. So now it's your turn. Hit me up. Drop me a price prediction into the market at Chargepoint. Where do you all think the price is going to be in the next 2 to 3 weeks? And we'll come back and see what the market has done. And if we need to reevaluate it, we will. But as right now, we're not. All right. So that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.